Ghanaian presenter Kelvin our that loud silence media ano ababontin edi ensembia babetu eja yena be me until o man Ghana emu na so de ekoso e o man Ghana de kochi ekọ brema nyina tese egu nsem a o babontin a na ene waba no aba bebo na adwen edi afa ho na ene de obeka nsoso no na waka edi atare eye etom ya hwe de ma akoso e o mayi emu enyina odina no atumu ebi fix the country won sensem eba ye wakasa ede efa ho ya COVID-19 ni crampo ehun ye vaccine ni sensem epie mu nyina no wode nanu atumu ebie na sensei de trend de ye mampanyi yire ene na bede eche wo mo eyire no ma sese wo mo ebeji akatua no ena chese wode nanu ebebetu mu ebia walkan ebusuafo say kasa de wo kan bebre na chese nyoma anchese wonya wadwensa na asa wondwen wo so wo beka no na wo kan ede efem na no na wako kan ama say nensem a waka ede afa papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia our vice president ede ema ye mampanyi his excellency Nana Dankwa Ekufu Ado ehun a wo chirima na chese ye papa yi wo yire no mu miensa mo beka ya ye ramatu ye mame ramatu din bebe sekuleti ye ebra na ye papa Alban ebubo nkofo di ye ministers ne wo mo yire no ma chese okoko bo ramatu edin enu madodo na beka say enti Bawumia waware ena chese debia Samira nkwa ena ode na eche odo se wo mo esum no emakwa mo eware dodo na enu ntina chese enye news emfa emo bade na ye omo wanwane se wontimi mfa saa na European no emmemeche na so according to Kelvin wo chirema chese yire no mo ye miensa ramatu ne dikan na Samira aba na de otoso miensa no krampo no na chese wone Samira no wo mo na tifi ho no krampo no wawo mienu ede amano a wo bi nipa na wo man ta hint no eso wo di information no any videos and answer pictures no ebeba bechere na wo kan ya de kosi so say GH1 morning show host Serwaa Amihere wono krampo na chese yam papa Mahmoud Bawumia otietia so ebia chese wono krampo no wo ye ne side check achese wo de beka ho na dodo na kase da bi we de abro so wo betimi aka bibia na so no nko a edie ense emfata encheye enye sakrampo na emfe ni dia na obu ese efata no emba ye mpanimfo ehu na ebusiamfo nsa na ebekwa kotie ne ense no mekan mo ese ocha de herbal center ene so yasema ye de adwumadie no ebebeso mo ocha de ese yare biara edukro wo hawo achese wo ya no hwia enye ye doctor declare wo say yare radio wo ntimi ntu ase emfa ema enti kofie na kona kokowu enu nti dane da wonsa hye wo demri femu wo dwendwen ho achese wo hu ne say enti da be na mi bewo achese wo start etoto onioma no ocha de ase da bijai wo mu sinipa de ote won ma wo se wonye go entoto onioma na nso so enye sa kwan no eso say yare enti no na wo de ye debi o say yare wo ho no dia ayaresa wo ho enu nti fa ne number o screen no ese say ye hu mu de hu na mo ani de obetu eye ase deku ede amana abusiafo man kotie Kelvin ense no ne ba ye beto aso
I says Serwaa Amihere de ono de ono ontifie ho bi ono ti baby and as Bawumia koho de oseme boa no Serwaa de o hadu wakwa second in command no ono ne ti ade no so but de besi enti na me ya say like we as madam freedom ne kasa no say Bawumia kra fie sisi ano aketesi abetu a ono so no na we the same house as Samira team no eno na me se njindi but also the names and the pictures and bebre but me nipa bia me gi say Bawumia onye if you Samira team no another woman about Bawumia ware no awu two team and the pictures near Dini na beba. And it was all just about Bawumia on the way trio because the senior one here Ramatu, second one no Samira, and a third wife was here on the Samira and Tiffy. I says Serwaa Amihere de on the on Tiffy will be on all T baby and asked Bawumia koho. There was some boy no Serwaa de o hadu wakwa second in command no ono ne ti ade no so but the besi enti no kra eda ho no. That is it. This is the money they are taking. Manlio moka ho ne kro ne sei no inti yemetena ha ne embu nkotodwe ne yemegina wapempen kaze kufu ado yi ai bentoa obaba akoso okem inti koboa no call ya beta wani so wa hanum baby ma wo baby akotena nti ye meden for free. All right, let's move forward. Media high so sansamfu no so ena da ho no ena bia ho no ai ena da ho no omo gie dia wo se eyi omo dwene wo ho ena da ho no ai yesi ade wo hu June ena dem no ekufo ade 47,000 Madam Rebecca je 33,270 Oche Samira 1,000 Ghana pe Mojimio Samira did 32,832. Old Ghana 32 million. Hey, no, 320 million. Mr. Manus is Minaso. Ekufuado, old Ghana no 470 million. June, July, Euros a day. And about Bawumia 390 million old Ghana citizens. And Ekufuado Yereno, Rebecca no, Onoso G 330 million, rounded up 340 million old Ghana. The kind of new now and how. And Samira so did 32,000, which is 320 million. What to worship in him? MPP bar power, 100 Ghana. It is Ghana, no. Nana am say like where the Madam Freedom American was saying Bawumia craft is no aketesia be to our no so now the same house as Samira team no and na me seem jindi but also the names and the pictures and bebre but me nipa bia me say Bawumia onye if you na Samira team no another woman Bawumia ware no awu two team and the pictures near dini na beba it also tells about Bawumia on the year 3 because the senior one year Rama 2 second one no Samira and a third wife was here on the Samira na tifie I says Serwaa Amihere de on the on tifie will be on oti baby and as Bawumia koho de o se me boa no Serwaa de o hadu wakwa second in command no ono na ti ade no so but the besi enti no kra eda ho no that is it. This is the money they are taking manlio I into it now you Ghana ni oko ti obi say Manes Azuri or say I supported Ochin you support this right a juma over ben and kofo ya mani pa we need to be paying sa a Gimpa Wi-Fi way sa Samira a juma oya wiase as sorry a oko ni fia baby am paboada kura make up da ho na atam Ghana sika 330 million amano j fakoma young boyfriend no sebi Bawumia de engineer emre na yetia jimi mu na supporting kwa asem we. This is the money they are taking. And they are going to take this to leave power. You get it? 320 million old Ghana citizens. And a Samira AJ month. What to also name a problem. Jimmy na wu Jimmy. Na a grow for mu who's the way ana. Andra me can be me say. Sir Rebecca Ekufuado say or your legitimate mamia or wabadaya on your kromfoa. She should come out and say, I don't need this money. Or you greedy crash and kuruno. Say the kuru de bufo no ko. Way na air guiding na nekufo the maribo krono. So on da. Play no high because oye ni pebia if Rebecca was somebody who wasn't heartless. Or your bia or Jenny Ghana ho or your bar wa would die and Belfrin Mwaba. So obi a riesika a yen yase akorebu will crash yenya hospital yenya gas oxygen manenum ensini suna anka say hey bonsam tie sa plane akọ high in faso ni so but this woman encourages Ekufuado to steal intimacy mo na mo so Rebecca is a monster in disguise. Oh yes, so osidi brad yen chen kuru na eno no ena me Ekufuado this and some phone Ghana. She should just humbly come out and say, you know what, I am doing good, I don't need this money. And I don't think my assistant also needs it. And then you know that, But as far as Omeka said, she doesn't need this money. Or you're for she's a thief. And you remember, I just ask no. Oh, can muna? No, can you so? Says I ask Gregor Bola bed. And then I mean, I'm your Ekufuado. Now, Oposu dinechi. Why no bossa apine? Not more says, Kawa, can I move? So, where the Mahaman count to be on Twinka. Mahaman G's can be the Tobian Twinka. Mwah. I grow for the way Peace Council, Christian Council. Since I some way by minty Peace Council as some minty Christian Council as some Cali Bishops minty masam Yankupo Kumina. You are liars. You're sitting here, you are acting as if you've not heard anything. As of a phone for Duncan William, Old Tabel, do you used to know you know, Jantre Nisofon, Usubempa, Munina Muhus Uncle as a way. and we are sitting here hailing nonsense. People are drinking water with animals, and then we are paying these people, these clowns, this money. I didn't tell on a worry president, no, on an Okoshia president or game pan on any die. Let me suck you and marry me for. Into me, I want to suck somebody and married me, so I have to be taking 320,000 every single 30 days. Into Tiani, the Jimmy support to sign your way. Let's suck me and I'll marry you. Suck me, I'll marry you for another good jubilee house. Suck me and let me marry you for another good. No wonder, because it is a blame Bawumia. Mamprugu Obiba Jeki. On the Tibrofo. Mamprugu Obiba Jeki. Mon family picture and tear down. I mean, Mendana Kunjim not mention to say a pompa bomb. Na men come aging in Tragana for Mamprugu Obiba Jeki. On the Nimyansa, on the crutching you, or Nimyansa or Mamprugu Nina. Young fan will be trying to tear down. No, no, Brama can aging say a crow away now with the because it's a bow. You can marry your wife and throw it away. Bema who be on the two marry wife and throw away. Mamprugu Obiba JK on the Tibrofo Jimmy. Jimmy, you marry woman and throw her away, me boy. Jimmy. But this idiot was giving us a signal, say, Akwani be waria wo pp abeji esike di we na toaso no me no ka say efia Samira Timuno. Another woman is living there who is pregnant. Wasa wo ba akwa oda fie osisia. Samira knows. Serwaa Amihere so bo a defense baby. Na mo de mo je say ye be say de beba no munim anka mwada. Me say Serwaa Amihere here was Serwaa madam fu be. Kwansma o se Kelvin anya Serwaa Amihere here Serwaa Amihere me de minim.
Na ebusuan se de Kelvin edenensa na atu eja enono de wo kan ye na etwa ye se wo make such a announcement e wo public ana na say yes freedom of speech ni tin bibia with me kan sa emano eyeye ana wadwen trefa ensem no fabra ebebetu eja e wo tuma gh comment section na like videos na share or all the social media platform so media ene ekria sikapa that's na ye besan edi ehia ebi makram.